Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Nissan Titan key fob. This guide will help you get your remote working quickly and efficiently. Before we begin, make sure you have all the key fobs you want to program ready. It's also a good idea to check your vehicle's battery to ensure it's in good condition. The entire process should take approximately 5 minutes from start to finish, so let's get started right away. To begin, sit in the driver's seat and ensure all doors are securely closed. Now, insert your key into the ignition and quickly remove it. Repeat this action a total of 6 times within a 10-second window. You don't need to turn the key, just insert and remove it. After the 6th time, your vehicle's hazard lights will flash twice, indicating that you have successfully entered programming mode. This is a crucial first step. Once in programming mode, insert the key into the ignition and turn it to the ACC position. Immediately after, take your first key fob and press any button on it just one time. You should observe the hazard lights flash once, confirming that this specific key fob has been successfully programmed. If you have additional key fobs, you will repeat this exact step for each one, ensuring they are all registered with your vehicle's system. To exit the programming mode and finalize the process, simply turn the ignition key to the OFF position. Then, remove the key completely from the ignition. The hazard lights will flash 3 times, signaling that you have successfully exited the programming sequence. Now, it's time to test each of your newly programmed key fobs to ensure they lock and unlock your vehicle's doors correctly. Congratulations, you're all set.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.